Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can fix your YouTube video pause automatically on your mobile device. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, let me tell you what the two reasons that this problem might occur on your device. It is either gonna be because of your device or your internet. So if you think it's your internet, go ahead and call your ISP and simply tell them that I have a problem where my YouTube video keeps on pausing, and then they might fix it. But if that doesn't happen, I'm about to teach you exactly what to do. First of all, try restarting your phone, and then if that doesn't fix it, simply go into the settings of your phone. Finally, once you have done that, scroll down all the way until apps and notification settings, or basically apps and settings. And finally, once you have tapped on that, it will show you the recently opened apps. There it might be YouTube might be there, but simply tap on see all apps and scroll down all the way until you find YouTube. Finally, once you have found YouTube, simply tap on it and then force stop the application and restart your phone, and that might fix it. But if that doesn't fix it either, simply go to storage and cache and delete your cache memory, which will basically delete all the temporary files that YouTube may not need. And then once you have done that, simply clear your storage, which will delete all your account settings, databases and stuff like that. And now go ahead into YouTube and start playing a video, and it should work. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.